This is the transfer case motor off from a Jeep. Normally when you take these off, if you try to rotate them, it doesn't rotate. So sometimes it'll appear like it's a bad motor. However, the two inner terminals on the connector are the brake, which basically locks the motor, and then the outer two terminals are what winds the motor up. So what we can do is apply power and ground to the middle two terminals, which are 2 and 3. So right now I've just got power and ground hooked up, and then I've got a 5 amp fuse just in case. But so right now it doesn't move. When I plug this in, you'll hear it click. Now it moves. So now I've got my power probe hooked up, and I'm going to apply power and ground to these outer terminals with the inner brake unlocked. And you can see the motor spin. And then if I swap them to reverse the polarity, it'll go the other way. So that's a good test if you just want to know if the motor works, because if you have a bad drivetrain control module, it won't be able to power this on. Or say in this case, you don't hear any type of clicking